Hello children, previous class we discussed about that exponents and today we are going to introduce the logarithms. So let us see recall the previous class. For example, 2 to the power of x is equal to 32. So is it possible to find the value of x? Yes. So 2 to the power of x is equal to 32 we can express as 2 to the power of 5. Then bases are same, power should be equated, then x is equal to 5. So one more example we can see that 3 to the power of y is equal to 81. Then how we can express this one? 3 to the power of y is equal to 3 to the power of 4. The bases are same, power should be equated, then y is equal to 4. In case 2 to the power of x is equal to 5, then is it possible to find out the value of x in this method? So not at all. So 2 to the power of x is equal to 5 we cannot express in the power of 2. Then we use a new method, that is logarithms. So we have to apply the log on both sides, so you will get it as this we can express in the logarithm terms. Log 5 base 2 is equal to x, or x is equal to log 5 base 2. So by using logarithms, we can find out the value of x. So the definition of logarithms: if a is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1, then n, capital N, is greater than 0. A and n are real numbers. If a to the power of x is equal to n, then we can write it as log n base a is equal to x. This is a general formula of logarithms. We'll go for the properties of logarithms. So this is a basic formula. A to the power of x is equal to n we can express as log n base a is equal to x. By using this we can find out the value of x. Right, now we'll go for the properties. Right, the first one is log xy is equal to log x plus log y. This is the first one of the property. If it is log xy, we can express as log x plus log y. So let us see some examples for this. Log 12, but it is not in the form of xy, just is given log 12. Then this we can express as log 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. So log 3 plus log 4. So like this we can take more examples. Okay, now one more law is there. Log a to the power of x, log a to the power of x is equal to x log a, x log a. This is one more law. See the examples for this. Log 25, log 25. Log 25, how we can write it is log 5 square. So this is equal to 2 log 5. You can take more examples, so you can understood very easily. So one more law is there, that is log a by b, log a by b. So log a minus log b, log a minus log b. So let us see the examples for this. Log 5 by 6, log 5 by 6. we can write it as log 5 minus log 6. Okay, so some more problems we'll discuss in the next class.